Did you know? Alveo has a newest residential project here inside Nuvali. And it launched this March 2024 lang. In one day, it has a total sale of 1.4 billion total sales in one day. Yes po, tama yung narinig nyo, no? And yung mga investor, bakit naman nila napili itong bagong project ni Alveo, which is yung Sereneo? Because from 2015, guys, no, dun lang po nag-open si Alveo. And right now, ngayon lang po ulit siya nag-open ng panibagong project. That's why yung mga investor, especially na mga investor ng Ayala, no, nung nalaman nila na may bagong project dito sa Nuvali, nag-invest agad sila. That's why umabot ng 1.4 billion in one day. And take note, right now dito sa Nuvali, nasa 50% pa lang po tayo ng development. Meaning, ganun kalaki yung chance o ganun kalaki pa yung space para pumwesto ka ng investment dito. At pwede mo pa siyang ma-maximize in the next, hindi natin masabi, baka 3 to 5 years, no? Magkano na yung price dito sa area. And ang price ng starting price nga